Hello, Gino this side. Developers imagine writing a 10 lines of code while your AI assistant secretly writing the remaining 200 for you. And so sounds insane, right? But that is exactly what this free AI tools can do. If you still coding without AI in 2025, you are basically writing a PHP in a notepad. So today I will show you a free AI tool that will change how you code forever. So, hi everyone, I'm Jinal Soni, founder of WebCrux Technology, and today I'm breaking down the top free AI tools that every developer should use. So, whether you are building a full stack, websites, mobile apps, or experimenting with the AI, or just exploring the AI tools, these tools are 100% free or have a free plan. And trust me, once you start using them, that there is no going back. So, let's start with the Cursor AI. If you haven't tried it yet, this is not just a code editor, it's a genuinely feel like a ChatGPT sitting inside your project folders. That crazy part. So, Cursor does not just give us suggestions, it reads your entire code base, like really reads it. Yeah, your routes, controllers, env files, services, and everything. And the real magic is when you tell it what to do in a plain English. For example, I literally type add a Google login to my Laravel app and literally cursor open, write the controller, create the socialite flow, and add a route, updated env keys, and I just sat there watching, and it felt like guiding a junior developers. Here, this is the link, that is cursor.com. Here you can download it for the Windows, and literally you can get the benefit of um, this AI tool, and it help you a lot in a faster development. I will show you the. I already downloaded it, and I will show you how it's work like and how helpful for the developers. Literally, I'm glad that, let's see, here is the downloaded version of Cursor AI. Literally, you can use it, the different model of the AI, and you can write your code. You can use for explaining part of your code, or anything. You can format your file, you can read or format whole file, or you can add a new feature with this, or you can search anything related to code. You can search here and use it for the project. Or here is the agent part, you can create a new agent here and use it. Literally, it help a lot to the developer and save a lot of time. I will highly recommend to all the developers, use it one and speed up your development part, and you will thank me later. Then let's move to the second tool. Next is Find. So if you, just Google search and Stack Overflow had a kind who actually care about developers, that is fine. And this things is brilliant for technical questions. No ads, no useless blog, and no SEO junks. Just straight answer with the code. And the best example is, like, I literally search for why is my Laravel queue worker not running in the production, random thread. Then I tried it, and I just simply search why in my Laravel queue worker not running in the production, and it uh, told me exact issue, the real explanations, and give me a correct Linux command to fix it. Honestly, find understand the developers paying better than some Stack Overflow moderate. And if you hate wasting time debugging the post, Find will save you sanity. So I will recommend use it and explore it for the better answer. And another is Codeium by Vincent. You with the VS Code. So in an extension, you can search the Codeium, and it will give extension name. Explore this tool, and I find it helpful. It's like a Copilot. I use both, and it's actually alternative of Copilot. So This one surprised me because it's 100% free, but it's performed like a copilot, and the auto completion is super fast, work with more than 17 languages, and fit nicely into a VS Code, JetSpray, Vim, and everything. I started using it and when my budget was literally zero, and honestly it gave me a solid productivity boost. So if you want a reliable AI pair program without spending a single rupees, Codeium is the easiest. Yes, I highly recommend. You can install it via here, and you can check the description over here. So you can check all the description. You can find it like it's used for the auto completions part, and it's used for styling the css, generate a code, and it's very useful extensions. I highly recommend to use. Either you can use the copilot as well. I find it very helpful, so I'm just sharing with you. Now let's move to the another AI tool, that is ChatGPT. Uh, all you know, ChatGPT.com, and people think like ChatGPT is just a chatbot, but every developers know this is a cheat code. I use it every day to explain confusing logic, rewrite a messy functions, convert procedure code into actual code, or to generate API documentations. And let me be honest, nobody remember or regex, so ChatGPT saves us every time. If ChatGPT wasn't free, half of us would still be stuck debugging some silly errors from the last night. And if you are learning a new framework or you are stuck on something basic, ChatGPT feels like having a mentor on a demand. And the great benefit for the Indian is ChatGPT 5.1 is free for the year, I think. And yeah, so explore, right? Use it for many way. You can create an image, you can deep search, you can use for R&D, you can use for the project timeline, thinking big, and many more. You can use for many purposes. So yeah, it's a very helpful AI tools. If you don't explore this yet, use it once and you are gonna habitate of this tool. Let's move to the web AI terminals. So now let's talk about web. This terminal honestly feels like it has an IQ of 200. You type a command and wrap tells you what it does, why it breaks, and how to fix it. The best feature is the block-based terminal. Everything is neatly organized and autocomplete, and it feels like VS Code inside a terminal. So if you are someone who forgot the basic commands like me, Rapid will not judge you. It will just quietly correct you and help you run things faster. So here you can download for the Windows, and literally you can find the benefit of it. So no headache for remembering all the CLI commands. And if you forgot it, then it will help you like hell. So I will recommend try it one and use it. So this is used for the speedy development process. And another tool I want to share with you is Hugging Faces. So you can directly go with huggingfaces.com, and you will literally found it helpful once you just explore this all of these things. So one day I just open it and see this side. Oh my god, everything is here, and yeah, I read. So finally, Hugging Face Space. So this is honestly the playground for AI curious developers. So you can test models for free, deploy a small ML apps, and explore thousands of open source model for NLP, image processing, audio, and everything. The first time I opened this phase, and it genuinely feel like scrolling to a Netflix, but instead of binge watching something, you end up being experimenting with the models. And if you are experimenting with the AI or want to learn ML without diving too deep into a setup headache, this platform is perfect. So yeah, I highly recommend it. So it's used for the different models, data sets, community guidelines, and these six tools have genuinely made my development workflow faster and stress free. If you are running a small team, freelancing, or building a product, each of these tools can save you hours every week. And let me know which one would you complete tutorial on the next. So this were the top free AI tool that every developer must using in 2025. And if you want to be a part with AI tools, part two with AI tools specifically for the web developers or Laravel developers, let me know in the comment. And also, if you found even one new tool today, say subscribe and it with your tech team. And thank you for watching. I'm Jinal Soni, founder of Backworks Technology, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, stay connected.